From the latest bullish data and indicators for Dogecoin and rising crypto adoption to all the latest updates and data for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, this is going to be an important video for you. So let's talk about everything. So first of all, we can see here that things are not looking too good for the overall crypto market. Crypto prices have plummeted and they have been trading in the green during the last 24 hours. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to Dogecoin and Cardano, almost all cryptos are trading in the red during this time. It appears that there is some pressure on the market and investors are now feeling some fear and uncertainty. However, despite this slow momentum in the market, some very positive things are happening for Doge, Bitcoin, and others. For example, we are now seeing that Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary has changed his perspectives on Bitcoin and cryptos. Just recently, he said that Bitcoin mining is going to save the world. O'Leary believes that is precisely where the potential exists. He envisions a future in which Bitcoin mining operations are powered by nuclear or hydroelectric energy. He intends to invest in transmission lines that will connect them, and he believes they will have the ability to power nearby communities. O'Leary also views crypto regulation as a necessary component of the technology's progress. He further said that crypto will be the S&P 500's 12th sector and regulation is on the way, which is a good thing. And now, let's see the latest data and price analysis for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin's price has undone its gains from the last week but has not turned bearish yet. Market participants can still expect Doge to start another rally to retest the target it failed to reach before. So Dogecoin's price has now created a falling wedge formation. This technical formation forecasts a rally to 21 cents. On March 21, it breached the falling wedge's upper trend line at 12 cents and rallied 21% from there, but in the second week of April, it seems to be facing difficulties. Despite this rally, intense profit-taking combined with a Bitcoin flash crash has caused the gains to come undone. As a result, Doge is currently hovering around 14 cents, which suggests that another 40% ascent is likely. Assuming it manages to hit its targets, a local top is likely to form around the swing high. However, if buying pressure continues to build up, Doge could even extend to the 25 cents resistance barrier. So what we are now seeing is that the general outlook for Doge is massively bullish even when it is consolidating. Another thing we are now seeing is that Doge is now attempting to stabilize a decent uptrend that may uplift the price close to 21 cents. With the recent price slash, the price was feared to enter the same consolidation. Luckily, the asset flipped from the immediate support but is yet to validate with an uptrend. Moreover, it witnessed a spike after being stagnant for nearly a month, which was fueled by Elon Musk's announcement of Twitter shares. However, it was expected that it may be another short-term spike, but the recent flip from the bearish divergence point toward a healthy rally incoming very soon. So despite facing a false breakout from the consolidation, Doge is on the verge to retest the upper resistance once again in a short while from now. With a successful breach out from the ascending triangle, Doge is expected to climb high towards the monthly highs at 17 cents. Sustaining above these levels may open the doors for the much-awaited target at 21 cents, which may further validate the uptrend towards the higher target above 25 cents. On the other hand, its indicators in the short term are also pretty bullish as the RSI is slowly laying down a strong uptrend. And after a huge sale, Dogecoin may witness a spike in buying as the MACD is on the verge to display a bullish crossover. Now, when Doge is displaying a clear path towards 21 cents, no strong possibility of a trend reversal or a plunge may be expected. The technicals and the charts are extremely bullish, which may stabilize a strong uptrend until the next week initially. And after a bullish weekly close, the upcoming week may turn the tables for Dogecoin's price. And now, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So Bitcoin has now lost support in the 44K price range and has been trading slightly above the 42K mark for the previous 24 hours. And as a result of this recent decline, Bitcoin's technical indicators have shifted to the bearish side. As can be seen here, its MACD level is now in the bearish zone, indicating a possible sell-off for it. On the other hand, Bitcoin continues to trade below critical moving averages, which means that the overall trend is becoming bearish. More importantly, the fact that Bitcoin has remained above this level for the previous few days has led many traders to believe that the 42K support level is quite robust. Seeing this, it is now expected that despite this recent decline, Bitcoin might retake the earlier resistance level of 44K and continue to rise. And if successful, it might aim for resistance levels of 48K, 50K, and 52K. And we are now seeing that Bitcoin has not been having the most convincing price run, but some analysts remain confident of its long-term prospects. For example, famous crypto analyst Plan B has said that Bitcoin's reaching new highs is a sure bet and will be thanks to staunch holders. He said that while Bitcoin's price can go down, its realized capitalization has been holding steady. He highlighted that at $466 billion, Bitcoin's realized cap is currently near its all-time high value, and based on the trend of the metric, he stated that it will lead Bitcoin to a next all-time high price. Plan B also projected that at 100K per Bitcoin, the realized cap will be about $750 billion. Significantly, the realized cap metric values the Bitcoin market based on the price every Bitcoin in circulation last moved at. This means that a realized cap reduces the impact of coins that may be lost or in the hands of long-term holders on the valuation model. The fact that it is trending near an all-time high could indicate that long-term holders are indeed dictating the direction of the market. And this means that Bitcoin may hit a new all-time high as predicted by Plan B. Now, one of the biggest news for Bitcoin is that electric car maker Tesla has entered Bitcoin mining in partnership with blockchain firm Blockstream and Jack Dorsey's payments firm Block. The three companies will collaborate on mining Bitcoin in an open-source, solar-powered mining facility in Texas. The facility will be powered by solar power and battery infrastructure provided by Tesla. The companies have taken a renewable energy approach to mine Bitcoin. Meanwhile, Blockstream CEO said that this is a step to proving their thesis that Bitcoin mining can fund zero-emission power infrastructure and build economic growth for the future. So this is massive news for Bitcoin as major firms like Tesla are now supporting its mining process. Moving on, we are seeing that PayPal co-founder and venture capitalist Peter Thiel has lashed out at some of the most prominent American financiers at the Bitcoin 2022 conference. He claimed that they are actually the ones who are responsible for Bitcoin's failure to hit the 100K milestone. He specifically called out Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett, slamming him as a sociopathic grandpa. Thiel also took aim at JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon and BlackRock CEO Larry Fink. He believes that they are trying to harm Bitcoin by focusing on environmental, social, and governance investing. And with that being said, let's see what is happening with Ethereum. So the price of Ethereum has bounced back above the moving averages after the recent slump. It appears that Ethereum will attempt to rise above the moving averages if the price holds above them, and it will rise to regain the 3.5K price level. Meanwhile, ETH entered an uptrend on April 5. A retracement candlestick tested the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. This retracement suggests that Ethereum will now rise to the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, or 4.2K. Meanwhile, Bloomberg has just predicted that Ethereum would hit 9K this year. According to Bloomberg Intelligence and the cash flow model, Ethereum is valued at 6.1K, or 180% of the current price. It's been also revealed that the upcoming major update of the network, which changes the outdated POW standard to POS, makes Ethereum an equity-like instrument. In the latest Crypto Outlook report, Bloomberg strategist Mike McGlone explained the fact that based on a discounted cash flow model, Ethereum is undervalued a lot. So this means that Ethereum is going to witness a massive surge in the near future. And now, let's come to some important crypto updates. So Nasdaq-listed Agora, a video, voice, and live interactive streaming platform, conducted a survey on the metaverse. According to the results, 57% of respondents think that the metaverse will become the most popular place to buy, store, and trade crypto, while 18% disagree and 25% feel neutral. In addition, 70% agreed that crypto and blockchain technology advancements will be critical to shaping the future of the metaverse. So this means that both cryptos and metaverse are going to grow with each other. And while it is positive news for the overall market, I think it is more bullish for metaverse cryptos like Sand and Mana. Meanwhile, we are now seeing that crypto adoption is rising in sports. The Ultimate Fighting Championship recently announced it will distribute new bonuses for athletes that will be paid in Bitcoin. The crypto awards will go to the top 3 fighters fans have voted for. The Bitcoin payouts will range from $30K for first place, $20K for a second, and $10K for third place. The positions will be decided by fans who can vote from all over the world on the UFC pay-per-view channel. And as per another report, Paymaya, a fintech and digital payments firm based in the Philippines, has unveiled new features. These new features are introduced to allow crypto trading and enable people to earn cryptos on its application. The launch of this feature comes as cryptos become more accessible in the Philippines. Paymaya seeks to support the crypto sector by becoming a leader in digital payments. And now coming back to Dogecoin, we have just seen that despite the ongoing slump, its price and technicals are looking pretty bullish. So it is now expected that Doge is going to make some bullish moves in the coming week. In any case, what are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section below.